The comet 3I Atlas has entered our solar system from outer space. It is the third interstellar object ever discovered passing through our solar system. In this video, we will explore, what is this comet? Where did it come from? And is it dangerous for Earth? What are interstellar objects? Interstellar objects are things like comets or asteroids that did not form in our solar system. They come from other stars or other planetary systems, and by chance, they pass through our solar system. These objects have three main features. Number 1, they do not orbit the sun. They enter only once and then leave forever. Number 2, they move much faster than normal objects in our solar system. And number 3, their material can be different, giving us clues about other worlds. So far, only 3 interstellar objects have entered our solar system. The first was Oumuamua in 2017. It was cigar-shaped, and some even thought it might be an alien spacecraft. The second was 2I Borisov in 2019. It looked like a normal comet, but its path showed it came from outside. And now the third one, 3I Atlas, discovered in 2025. This is the topic of our video. These comets are very important because they give us free samples from outside the solar system. By studying them, scientists can learn what the chemical conditions are like around other stars. They may even contain organic material or prebiotic molecules, possible clues about the origin of life in our galaxy. Astronomers believe that this comet comes from a star that is at least 8 billion years old, almost twice the age of our Earth. This comet was discovered just last week. Since then, astronomers all around the world have been busy observing it and collecting as much data as possible. The first results show big differences compared to the 2 previous interstellar objects. 3I Atlas may even come from a completely different region of our galaxy. One of the most amazing differences is its speed. 3I Atlas is moving at about 57 kilometers per second, which is almost twice as fast as the other interstellar visitors. Professor Chris Lintott said, "The most exciting thing for me is that if this comet really comes from the thick disk of our galaxy, then we are looking at a part of the galaxy we have never seen before." He also explained, 3I Atlas probably comes from an old star in the thick disk of the Milky Way. We think it has been traveling through space for longer than the solar system has even existed. There is about a 2/3 chance that its age is over 7 billion years. This may also explain its red color, because cosmic rays slowly turn these objects red over time. This comet is no danger to Earth. Its closest distance will be about 1.8 astronomical unit, much farther than the distance from Earth to the Sun, so it is simply a beautiful cosmic show. But the discovery of the interstellar comet 3I Atlas reminds us how big the universe really is. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, has more than 200 billion stars, and it is only one of hundreds of billions of galaxies we know. To understand this size, the number of stars in the universe is more than all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth. We live on a tiny planet orbiting a normal star in a small corner of one galaxy. On a cosmic scale, we are almost nothing. But this nothing makes every discovery, every look at the sky, and every interstellar visitor like Atlas so valuable. These objects tell us the universe is full of mysteries beyond imagination, and every time we look at the night sky, we should remember how small we are, and how lucky we are to be able to understand even a little of this greatness. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure to check out our other videos too.